Aloha, you got Lanai with another edition of Wikibites presented by Time Supermarket. And today I'm going to teach you how to make a cooked shrimp garlic poke. All right, we need 1 pound of shrimp, and then I'm just going to dice up some green onions here. And you guys can decide how much onions you want to put in there. I like to put a good amount. I love my green onions. And you want to use the leafy part for this. Gives it some color. Also, it's the best part of the onion if you like the green parts. So we got about a pound of shrimp here. And of course, poke means to cut, cube, or slice. And you can use all different types of fish, but this is one of Time Supermarket's specialty. We got cooked shrimp, about a pound, some Hawaiian salt. We got some oil, some sesame oil. We got some sweet onion. You can use a white onion if you like. I like to use Maui onion or a sweet onion. And then of course the magic, we got some garlic, lots of garlic. You can use chopped garlic or minced garlic in their recipe. They like to use mince. And then we have some chili flakes. All right, we're just gonna mix all of this up like this. It's gonna give you a little feel of the North Shore. You know, Hawaii's famous for their North Shore shrimp. This poke is giving you kind of that flair. And you don't want to overcook the shrimp when you make this recipe, because cook it too much and it's just going to taste rubbery. So you want to make sure that shrimp is perfect. And you want to get enough garlic too to cover every piece of that shrimp. And that's how it goes right there. Voila, pretty easy, huh? Let's try it out. Oh yeah. Cooked garlic shrimp poke. It's on.